I'm rusty. What's this?
This is the shed that loves taking out engines.
Yeah, yesterday we put in your engine. Well, you put in your engine and I looked at you.
Yeah, like this all the time.
Yeah, it's good.
That's how he holds the camera, everyone.
Yeah. Well, you can't hold it any other way. You could just do this.
Yeah.
That's
how you hold cameras.
Your engine's out.
Yeah. It's time for it to go
away.
Probably doesn't need to be out, but we're gonna make it better. Make it better feeling.
That doesn't need to be out, sure, I guess.
Well, it could be bad. Like even the schmutz I poured out of the radiator again was terrible. Like really bad.
Really?
Yeah. Like crap, and it's only a new fucking radiator.
Right.
But everything, I'm glad because like, look at this fucking crap. Look at the fuel rail's been fucking welded.
Right. There's
like,
a few crusty little.
Just some bad old fucking stuff going on. So I'm glad this is happening. Even like the fucking water line on the turbo and stuff, like
Missing a few bowls.
yeah, that was leaking, and the gaskets are made of fucking cheese. Even everything we went to was just like,
Right.
you know, nothing was buttoned up tight, and it had this bonus fucking clutch in it.
Always geeking.
You know, all the plates.
Fuck.
Someone actually wrote on it. Still 3.9 mil left.
Right. Hasn't been used since then.
So I'm very happy with that. Very fucking happy.
Yeah, so this is going up to Shadow Rotary, I guess, is it? Or?
Yeah, it sure is. I just have to take off the turbo now. This fucking garage something turbo.
Progress.
It's handy doing it that way as well.
Yeah.
When it comes back, it's just like
Yeah, straight in. We've done more.
Doing things.
Bolted up the rad.
Yeah, rad's in.
It's all the loom plugged in and
Sort of, yeah. ECU's in. Plugged in here. Put a battery to it.
what's left to do?
I just need oil and spark plugs and filters.
And then that's it.
Yeah, I think so.
Looks well in there. It's a snug old fit.
Fits lovely, yeah. Had to hit the chassis like a few steps.
Did you make a prop for it?
Yeah,
It's in.
yeah. Exhaust,
Alright.
prop, gear linkage.
When did you hold this, yesterday or today?
Yesterday.
I missed all that. It's
There
gone.
was an animal on the spanners yesterday, right?
She's gonna go! Whoa! It's just a bag of cast metal. Solid. Someone poured it into a fucking bag. It still has the shape of the bag and everything. Yeah, so Damien actually daily drives this. It's a pretty cool little car. It's called a Mitsubishi EK. And it's the only Sport. And it's the only one we know of that's probably outside of Japan on this side of the world. I don't think there's any more of them.
Probably none in Ireland.
There's definitely none of these in Ireland. So this is a K car. You've been driving this for about 2 years?
3 years.
3 years. So when Damien retired from the car game, he never actually retired. He just bought another exotic machine. And yeah, we love it. It looks like a little lunchbox. It's quite small. It's got some gangster wheels. And why did they put these wheels on it?
Aggressive Evo front.
Yeah, look at that. Quite an aggressive machine. It's got the aggressive vent.
This big mouth that wants to chew the road.
Yeah. It's 660 cc's of pure. It's turbo.
Yeah, she is a T4 Dominic Turbo.
Yeah. And direct
Injection.
Direct injection.
Direct port injection.
Yeah. Pop the hood. You gonna make me pop it?
Oh, I'm gonna make you pop it. No man.
Fucking hell. It's got a standalone ECU.
She has a standalone ECU, yeah.
Not a bad way to spend $10,000. I see a T4 Dominic Turbo.
Actually, I can't even see the turbo. It's in there somewhere now.
Look how small this little engine bay is.
It's like the size of the battery.
It's 3-cylinder, I guess. Yeah, it is. Where's the turbo?
I've yet to find the turbo. I've never actually looked for it.
Yeah, but you can hear it. Just for scale, how big the engine bay is. It's absolutely, like, the battery is nearly the same size as the engine. So fast.
Yeah, pretty much the car is very fast. So what they done is they got a block of aluminium or aluminum, and then they just put a few little notches in it and they made it as heavy as possible. So slow the car down. Just keep those wheels on the ground.
Such a fucking, just a box.
Probably 100 kilos in the wheels alone.
Oh, hi. Have a look inside the EK Sport. So the mirror actually moves, it changes. That's incredible. So when you go into reverse, it faces down to show you the curve. It's quite spacious. She revs out to 9 grand, man. So what's mad is the gauges are not here. You just have a nice plaque that lets you know that it's the EK Sport.
Oh, wait a minute, we'll turn on the lights.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you can't see it.
Nah. We're literally like on top of each other, but at the same time, we've got to fight for space on the elbow pad. And a column shift here.
Yeah, American style.
Yeah!
She's revving out to 7,000 RPM.
7,000 RPM, buddy. Pretty damn fast.
Damn, that guy's fast.
How do you feel? He's shaking.
Yeah, a bit of adrenaline there.
Big time. You're saying people look at you all the time.
Yeah. They say, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Towards me.
A lot of Irish people don't know what this thing is, so they kind of like point at it or laugh or just don't know what to think when they see it. The amount of storage spaces in this are amazing. So we got this.
We've down here.
Look at this.
And then you've in here. Oh, you can fit like some hashish in there.
Yeah. Whoa, that comes off out around this.
No one even knows about it.
So Damien used to have an EK Civic and you paid 5 grand for insurance?
€5,400, yeah.
5,400 euro to have his Civic on the road back in the day. So people complaining about insurance prices now, it was like 3 times as bad back in the day.
125 a week.
125 quid a week.
Yeah.
And how much did the car cost you back in the day?
5 grand.
5 grand.
Insurance is more than the car.
So the insurance is more than the EK.
That was a joke.
What advice do you have for people that are into cars?
Just get out of it.
Just get out of it. It's funny he says that, but I know like he bought this, so he's not actually really into standard cars.
No.
And he's gonna buy something else in a couple of weeks.
I'm a big weirdo.
Yeah, and he's gonna end up fucking that up too. So there is no escape from the sickness of cars, sadly.
Pretty much like driving a Ferrari or
Yeah, yeah. But you get more looks in this than a Ferrari.
Yeah, you would.
And there's more space to pick up chicks. Barry, show us the trick with the sunroof. Damien. This is how the sunroof.
You can win some of Josh's car. And then when it's not sunny anymore, you should put that in the sunroof. Like.
You just close it down. And that's how the sunroof sits on Josh's BMW. Doesn't just want to blow away around. All the mountain bolt areas have rusted off.
They're in the wind.
We'll just leave that the way it is and say nothing.
Oh, Josh is sad. Josh is destroyed.
Josh, is this just the big elephant in the room that you're ignoring, or are you going to get around to it, or what?
Oh yeah, just gonna get fiberglass to feed panel. I don't know what this shit you're wearing, Josh.
You done that?
Just look at his front lip on the VHS camcorder cassette.
Nice shit you wearing, you have.
What is that? An
M-Tech 2.
M-Tech 2 front lip. I'm rusty.
the bin.
You're all laughing.
I'm not laughing at all. We're just enjoying
Your
it.
smugness. For when I do try start that.
I'm not to be smug about it. But she's just plug and play, like.
It's just hard to plug it in.
When do you play?
With Windows 95, it's a matter of plug and play.
You took off your turbo.
Which is a good turbo, we found out. Because I wasn't unsure.
So-
I'll leave this because he said don't go near the injectors and stuff.
Yeah.
And that weld is annoying me. I don't know, I'll just leave all this. This is fine.
Yeah.
That to me is the engine.
Watch the rotor on.
You can actually smell the fuel coming out.
You can.
It has very good compression. Why are you taking it out?
Explosion.
That's okay, isn't it?
No, really no.
Well,
So there was a red wire connected to the earth. And your car nearly went on fire there a second ago.
I'm not a mechanic or an electrician.
He's just...
It's like spoofer.
It's like Stevie Wonder connected the wires and lifting.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Is this engine pointing the right way now?
It is actually, yeah. Touch that joke off the positive, see what happens. Just, okay, well that's meant to be connected to. Okay, that's grand. Okay.
You had that, in fairness, he did
Yeah,
have
he did.
that there.
This, I don't know where this is meant to go, but
To the fucking- in the fucking bin.
That's for fucking sure. You might turn off them wipers. It's turned on anyway. Right,
Yeah.
that's okay. Now, just
crank it
do
with-
it. Crank. Is there nothing in your cylinders? Oh, wait, stop. They're oil in the engine.
Yeah.
And oil filter.
There's 6.5, no, there's at least 6 litres of oil.
You sure?
Okay.
Yeah, I watched him put it in.
Dead.
See it.
Fucked.
Wasted.
Boom.
Uh-oh.
Hey. Hello.
Issues.
She melt herself.
Plug and play. Plug and play.
She's just plug and play. Are we on the play part now, or are we still plugging?
We're still plugging. She's going. Not getting any better, is it? No. No.
Does that wire fried the whole way through?
Yeah, for probably the whole loom.
You were seconds away from fire.
It really was.
Like-
That smoke was so
Yeah.
thick down there.
Next thing was sad to get that in camera.
Mission failed. So when it's all running, you look back on this and laugh. But
Because by the time you see this, it'll be running.
oh yeah, the year's time will probably be roll off by then.
Oh, absolutely. I think. And you're going to have to replace wherever that goes.
It's broken there again.
Oh, it's fried the
It's
whole
gone.
way.
Loom is fucked. Forget about it.
You know what that is? That's what my hangovers feel like.
This whole area here is just an
I wake
hangover.
up on a Sunday morning after drinking.
Visual representation of
Try to think
anxiety.
about what you can do. That's anxiety.
Yeah, there's anxiety.
That's the fear.
Best thing to do there then is just what they go
Mask our emotions and just pretend they don't exist.
Yeah, see your emotions. How you getting on?
Just bringing Josh back from the brink.
Bringing him back from the brink of jumping off a cliff.
Yeah, totally. And ruining his fucking
Yeah.
car.
So what's this new word that's going on to that then? That's
Power's a relay. Power and a relay.
power and a relay. And the other one that you fried was another starter wire.
Yeah, well, like,
And you had that as an earth.
see, this is the main one, then it splits in two. So this
Yes.
goes off to the fuse box, I'd
Okay.
imagine. This goes down to the starter.
Yes.
But Josh added in this one.
So there was two starter wires in there.
Yeah, so he said, what to do with the second one? So he decided he'd put it to
Mounted
earth.
shock tower.
I see black.
And it looked
Like,
black
it's not
on
black
the
tape,
outside.
but it was red with black
But it was
tape.
red inside, so you're literally just cooking the other starter wire
Yeah, basically, and cooking the car.
and cooking the car.
So now,
You've chopped out that wire.
yeah, because
It
it's not
yeah,
needed.
it wasn't needed. Fixed the burned wires that
Yeah.
were a little fucked, and now it turns over and you have one starter wire.
So what you're saying is this is a kettle and a cooker.
Wow, yeah.
Fuck.
Source of energy.
So it might start. It might actually just plug and play.
To a degree. Probably would have for anyone else, but just not Josh.
Yeah.
Overexcited.
But I'll always dip before I rise.
There. This is where it burnt all the way in. Could have had a nice fire.
That's what happens when it goes directly to earth instead of the starter.
rattle went away.
If the rattle goes away, it's usually okay.
Yeah. If the rattle got louder.
It's not going to go away. It's not engine rattles aren't intermittent. So loads of issues by Josh. Fuel lines the wrong way around.
Yeah.
And
I told you I was going to do that.
Wires the wrong way around. You never told me about the wire though.
That was a real zinger.
That was a real fucking zinger.
Yeah, well done, man.
Grand.
Hooray! We're just going to use this McGann as a barrier.
If it does take
Push the
off,
bumper down.
Yeah, yeah. Watch it smash the good. That's it.
Tonight couldn't have gone better then.
That's a wrap on MTV Becoming.